Making sounds visible. Mastering sound discrimination in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of English pronunciation. Specifically, we're going to look at how visual aids can help us master sound discrimination. This topic is a crucial part of minimal pairs and sound discrimination in English language learning. So, let's dive in. Visual aids are objects, pictures, charts, or any other items that you can see which help you understand and remember information more easily. When it comes to learning pronunciation, visual aids can play a big part. They make the abstract sounds of language more concrete and tangible. With visual aids, the tricky sounds of English become less intimidating and easier to handle. When you're learning new sounds, it's easy to get confused. This is where visual aids can come in handy. Visual aids, such as mouth diagrams and tongue position images, can help you see exactly how your mouth should move to make different sounds. Let's take the sounds P and B, for example. You might think they're pronounced the same way, but if we look at a mouth diagram, we can see that the main difference is in the vocal cords. When you say P, your vocal cords don't vibrate, but when you say B, they do. Now, let's put visual aids into practice. You could draw a diagram of the mouth and tongue positions for different sounds. You could also find printable charts online. Make sure they're from a reliable source, of course. Use these visual aids when you're practicing pronunciation. Compare the visuals with your own mouth movements in front of a mirror. This way, you can really see the difference in sounds. Visual aids aren't just for learning new sounds. They're also great tools for self-correction. Have you ever been unsure about whether you're pronouncing a sound correctly? With a visual aid, you can check the position of your mouth and tongue against the correct position. If they match, great. If not, you know what you need to work on. Alright, folks. That's a wrap on visual aids for sound discrimination. Remember, mastering English pronunciation can be tough, but with the right tools and techniques, it's absolutely achievable. Visual aids are one such powerful tool. Use them regularly and you'll be well on your way to perfecting your English pronunciation. Until next time, happy learning!